You are my Pemparu.
Doon naganap yung unang pagsubok.
The second day was my true love gave to me. And
Hi mga kachupa! Welcome back to my vlog! Medyo ngayon, malamig ngayon sa amin. Kaya nag-jacket kami. Pero tatanggalin ko na kasi nasa loob na kami. So for today's video, maglalaba kami ng aking asawa. Ah. So ito pala yung jacket. So, hey, how to remove? Yung pala. So, ano pa pala jacket na? So, I'm gonna put the other. So, dirty yung sa lalo. We're gonna get
get the paper towel.
here this one.
Sometimes they wash a lot of pets fur, and this one here.
Ito pala mga kachupa yung binili ko sa Goodwill. Dami ko binili. Ayan. Diba? Ganun yung mga leggings sa Goodwill. Dami namin labahan.
Going in there.
So mga kachupa, pabalikan na lang namin yung aming dryer. Mga 40 minutes pa kasi. So pupunta muna kami ng Piggly Wiggly. Bibili lang kami ng fruits.
Something warm.
40.
It's 40 minutes.
Kasi 40 yung natin.
Wait, 220.
Alam mo mga kachupa, yung bibig namin, yung ilong namin, nanunuyo na. Kaya kahit sobrang maaraw, malamig ang panahon.
Walk around a little bit. We'll be back. And then it'll be done.
Ganito kami pagka naglalaba kami dito. This is what we're always doing. kasi meron siyang nire-rental na condo. So doon kami nag-stay. Ilan? Ilan Sweet?
Yes.
Ilan Sweet?
Sweet. The Green Hills.
Green Hills. Tara, B, you always memorize that ah.
Huh?
You memorize that ah. I think you have good memories in there ah.
I have a lot.
Doon naganap. Doon naganap yung unang pagsubok. So, andito na kami sa Piggly Wiggly. Okay, let's go na. So, bibili ng gamot para sa ubo. Ay, sore throat, B.
I like the honey lemon. I'm gonna get this one. Okay.
Bili lang tayo ng fruits. Kasi yung fruits dito, medyo fresh. Yan. Perfect. I like pineapple. Yeah. I never tasted this one before. What is this? I mean, juice?
Organic lime juice. It's probably really sour. Grapefruit. I kind of want some of this.
This one.
Yeah, it's a kosher deal. This is what you want.
Thank you. It's cold.
Let's eat a little bit and then we'll leave.
Pickles. Our favorite pickles.
I want the watermelon. You want to eat that first?
Yeah. Let's see if it's not good. And then when it's not good, we can put it back.
Garlic fork. Looking at it. Baby cucumbers. Good. We're not leaving yet. I just turned the engine on so that way it's a little bit heat in here.
Kwentuhan lang na tayo. Dati,
Favorite fruit?
yung nasa Philippines ako, nakikita ko to sa SNR. And then every time I see this in SNR, I didn't buy because I thought it's not taste good. And then when I taste
What
it,
did you think it was that time?
I was like,
It doesn't look tasty, huh?
yeah,
But it is tasty.
yeah.
It's very rich in vitamin C too. If you eat that, you didn't need vitamin C at all.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Sarap pala niya.
I think now you're addicted.
Mm-hmm.
That was my favorite when I was young. I didn't know about it too, but my
Kasi
mom
ano
bought it.
nandidirib ako kasi yung cucumber, merong tubig.
Mm.
Tapos pag kinain ko, akala ko, I thought when I eat this one, I thought it's not crunchy, but it was crunchy.
Baby cucumbers.
Crunchy pala siya. Parang siyang it tastes like mango.
A little bit.
Mm-hmm.
I like the crunchiness of it.
Yeah.
The sour taste. It's very good.
Nakakita lang ako kasi maliit. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng maliit na na cucumber. May ganito palang kaliit, Para siyang burang mangga. Parang ganon. Pero malutong siya. Tsaka wala siyang sugar, no? No, they don't put sugar here.
Shouldn't be any.
Wala siyang sugar.
Like Piggly Wiggly's fruit snacks because it's fresh. Like this, it's very fresh. Okay, so you ready to go?
What?
I'll eat later. I just want my pineapple. I mean my watermelon.
Okay. Yeah.
And now that I have it, I am satisfied.
Are we almost 40 minutes?
No, we got like half an hour. I mean, not half an hour. 15 minutes. We got a little bit time left. But we can go back now.
Yung asawa ko, nagtatanong ka 10 wish list, sabi niya sa akin. Sabi ko, alam mo, una ko sinabi, totoo ba yan? Baka mamaya mag-back out ka. Sabi ko, really? Ayun yan. Yes, really.
Do you know the song? The Christmas song? On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me.
Maybe I didn't know that.
On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. And then, I don't remember all the items, but then like I remember the part where it was like number 7, and he said, on the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 golden rings.
Nanonood ako sa asawa ko pagka kumakanta.
You didn't know that song?
I know that song.
Know that song?
But I was laughing because you're singing like that.
Because you brought us the 10 list. So for 10 lists for 10 days.
Because I was about to say that you are asking me 10 wish list, right? And then I was asking you again. I said, really? And then you said, yes, really. And then I was popped in my mind that maybe you're gonna back out when you find out what my 10 wish list. Kasi mga lalaki ko, trip to Jerusalem.
Well, all those we can eventually do, but we can't do all of that all at once in Christmas, you know what I'm saying? Meaning that I have to be able to fit it in the present, I have to be able to go get it. We can't go to all those places all at once, so it doesn't work.
Trip to Thailand, trip to Japan, trip to Disney World.
Go all on Christmas.
Natatawa ako.
Eventually, we will go to Disney World or Disneyland. So we will.
Natawa ako sa asawa ko. Pagkasend ko na natawa siya eh. House and lot. Sabi ko. Natatawa ako. Pasusunod, B. Next time, don't ask me that question because I feel like
I want the numbers figured out. And I'm gonna tell you, come on, B, you could do better than that. There's so much love, kindness, compassion.
Did you pop on your mind while you asked me that question?
Remember, you're asking Honey and Danny for their wish list too.
Hey, what I'm gonna give to you? Give me your 10.
Surprise me.
You didn't like anything.
There's really nothing that I want that I could buy. And all the things that I actually want, I can't buy anyway, so. I do want some things too, but it's out of my power. Like, for example, I want to be out of debt, but you know, that's out of my power. So I cannot.
Nandito na kami sa aming laundry shop. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave me. Ten, 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 ten.
You want to go inside or you want to wait here?
Oh, you want me to check?
Well, we can wait till the alarm comes on, because it's not done soon yet.
Maybe some of it's done.
Well, if you want to go check, you can.
Okay, I'm gonna check.
You are my Bambaroo.
I like it. I love it.
Kiki is your Pambaroo, and you're my Pambaroo.
You're funny.
Every time I hear you laughing like that, that's how I know you're so happy. You're going, That's what I like about you.
I think it's okay already. I'm gonna go back.
Yeah, we should go. If we didn't love each other, it didn't mean anything. But if we love each other, then even if we have nothing, we have the whole world. The whole world, our whole own world.
Before it's snowing already.
Yeah, usually November is not like this. Maybe we're not gonna have a white Christmas after all.
Green Christmas.
I'm thinking we're gonna have a brown Christmas. They call it a brown Christmas because there's no snow. There's only mud because it's gonna rain a lot. Here's we do have brown Christmas where there's not a lot of snow. There might be a little bit of snow towards the end of December, but that's about it. So what does your family, like your aunties and your uncles, what did they think about our 16-year gap?
My auntie, I didn't ask them. But my family, they like it because they see that you're taking care of me very well.
So they think the 16-year gap is good.
I think it's not about the age, because you look like young.
What do I look like to them?
You look like 29.
Maybe late 20s?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, a lot of people say I look like late 20s or early 30s. Which I'm happy with. I'm glad.
But you're 43.
Turning 44 soon.
Where we going? Peter Pan.
Peter and Jude.
So, punta kami sa
I
Peter
think
Pan.
they're open today too, so if you want to go inside we can.
Ay, talaga? We can get grocery.
Yeah. I don't think it'll be any grocery that you would like, but they do have grocery.
Dito daw kasi meron daw silang pantry na pag pupunta ka, wala kang pera, wala kang pagkain, pambili, pupunta ka lang doon, makakakuha ka ng mga canned goods, yung mga libreng pagkain, pero tingnan natin kung ano ba totoo ba talaga o ano, kasi dati daw, ayun daw ang gawain ng asawa ko dati. Wala pa siyang pera. Eh ngayon, angat-angat ka na. Maybe I said before you didn't have money, that's why you go there. But now you have money, so you don't go there anymore.
Never need to go there. To see if they're open today.
Angat-angat, nakaka-LL na pala to.
They are open. You can go inside so you can see what a food bank looks like.
We don't have like that in the Philippines. I wish we have like that in
I think you guys don't have it because they don't have any extras and there's nobody funding the food bank. But here they have it because, you know, taxpayers funded, donations funded. There's all kinds of funding, so
Maybe I think
They
I was
have-
thinking
extra.
if we have something like that in the Philippines, oh God.
Maybe all gone in one day.
Kaya hindi na nag-i-stock ng mga ano yan. Ay, may aso sila. Ang cute naman ng aso, B. Pemperut.
The dog? Oh, you saw the dog? You didn't see
Pemperut.
them.
Nakatawa na lang ako. Ang cute ang aso, kamukha ng amo.
We'll drive by to see if they're open. It's been a while since I've been there.
Ang sama ako. Sorry. Hindi na mag-uulit.
You say Pemperu to the dog, but he's looking at you like, Pemperu? We know Pemperu.
Ganito kami pag-hang out kami ng asawa ko. Naglaba lang naman kami, wala naman kami ginawa. Siguro ganito na nangyayari pag nakakakain ako ng adobong paa. Kasi nagluto ako kanina ng adobong paa, paborito ko. Ang sarap. Sabihin, luto mo, kaya masarap. Pero kung nagluto niya, hindi masarap yan. Iba-iba na ano yan. Is it big?
I don't remember. It's not too big. It's kind of like a cafeteria. I don't know if they're open today.
Tignan natin. Kung ano.
It's here somewhere. Here it is.
Yeah, tingnan.
Peter's Pantry right there.
Ay, ayan. Ay, B, I think they don't have food. Ayan, no. Ay, they have. Ayan o.
Pantry distribution hour, not open on holidays. Today's Tuesday, 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. Oh, they're closed already, baby.
Ah, they're
I
closed.
don't know why they're closed so early today.
What is the day today?
Tomorrow is closed. Wednesday's closed. They're only open till 11:30 a.m.
What about the girl? She just got there.
She's probably closing up the place. That's why. But on Monday they open till 6 p.m. So they're closed already. Voluntary parking only. So
Wow.
okay. We'll come back another time.
Okay.
But they're closed.
Malas. Wala tayo na close na pala.
Peter's Pantry, sharing is caring. It's a food bank.
Who's putting some food in there?
Who's putting some food in there?
Yeah.
A lot of people. Like they donate money, they donate food, and then
We should donate too. If we have extra.
well, maybe if we have extra one day.
May mga ganito pala, no? So, yung mga mayayaman dito, pupunta dyan, nagdo-donate ng mga ano. Oh, ganun pala.
Maybe I'll get some of my older canned food that's almost expired. I'll donate it if we're coming back. But they close early, so
I think it's not good when you get almost expired.
well, most of the food are like that. Most of the food that's donated to the food bank are near expiration date.
Ah.
There's no fresh food. Some of it might be fresh, the ones that they use the money to buy, but many times the money is not used to buy the food. The money is actually used to pay for the place to stay open and pay for the volunteers, so that they making a little bit of money too.
I mean that's not for government. That government can give
No,
food.
it's not government funded. This is city funded.
Oh.
Peter's Pantry is city funded, so it's funded by the mayor. It's funded by taxpayer dollars in the city. It's not by the state or the government.
Okay. Oh, so they have toys there too. And
No,
food
just
stuff.
food. No toys, just food.
Ah.
Yeah, usually they give, like, if you go get food, usually it's like cereal, bread, canned food.
Yeah.
I remember sometimes there's milk, but there's powdered milk. Sometimes you get eggs too.
So there's people working there or no?
But they're closed now, so she probably just closed up and then she left.
Alam, hindi na. Next time na lang.
But we have to go there early.
Yeah.
They used to open later, but I think they changed their hours, so it's early.
Maybe because there's no food. That's why.
But after all these years, they're still open, so that means they're doing well. They're making progress. They're getting donations and they're still giving out food.
So, pauwi na kami. Tutupi ako ng dami kong tutupiin. Kasi, inano namin yung lumang kortina. Nilaban namin sobrang dami alikabok kasi simula nung lumipat pang asawa ko dyan sa bahay na yan, hindi na tinanggal yung kortina. Sabi ko, antay mo maging kulay black. So, nilaban niya na. Naawa rin siya, no? Dito na kami sa bahay.
Like I said, we don't really need the food. If you just want to do the experience for the vlog, we can, but we don't really need it. Let's go through the front, babe.
Okay. So, andito na kami sa bahay. Magtutupi na ako. Ang ganda ng jacket na nabili ko. Ang kapal. Kasing kapal ng mukha. Joke lang. Marami akong matutupi ngayong araw. Yan, ang matutupiin ng dami. Ito pala yung kawayan na binigay sa amin nung nag-ano kami, baptist. Ayan o, ang ganda no. So meron kaming tatlo. Nag-iisa. Yung pusa ko nangangatok na. Kumakabit! Someone's knocking on the door. Kiki. Sabi, hindi pinapansin nila. Ah! Andito ako! Ah! Yan ang nangyari pagka may alaga ang animals. Nagiging animals ka. Sarap lang. Oo, yung ba siya?
Trump, I think we're definitely headed in the right direction.
Hector, just one last question. What changes on day one, do you think, in terms of what your function is on the border?
Well, I think we're going to see what we saw in the last some of our recommendations on the border wall, the agreements, the return to Mexico, a lot of those.
So we'll see where we go from here. Gentlemen, John, Hector, thank you both so much. Good luck with your work down there. Thank you very much.
Na may dalang bisikleta. Hindi rin alintana ni JP ang lakas ng agos ng tubig.
Kung wala na, mapuntahan ko lang yung mga mahal ko sa buhay sa Dilasag.